What if I told you a bag of frozen fruit could become your parrot's favorite treat? Parrots love variety, but fresh fruit can spoil fast and cost a fortune. Here's the frugal fix: frozen fruit. It's just as nutritious, lasts way longer, and adds a fun, crunchy texture your bird will adore. Simply thaw a few pieces or offer them frozen for a refreshing snack. No waste, no fuss, just happy, healthy chirps. Plus, it's a great way to cool them down on hot days. Pro tip: stick to bird-safe options like blueberries, mango, or apple slices, no seeds. Your parrot gets gourmet vibes and you save cash. Win-win. Ready to try it? Drop a comment with your parrot's favorite frozen fruit and follow for more smart pet care tips.